Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module we are going to learn about an important subsidiary book, that is purchase return book. Goods purchased on credit may be returned to the seller in the case of certain defect or violation of certain conditions. They may be returned if they are not according to sample and specification, or if goods have been supplied more than what they have been ordered. Purchases return book is made in the same fashion as purchase book is prepared. In the details column, it contains the name of those parties whom goods have been returned. It also contains the details of goods returned. If the supplier had allowed trade discount at the time of purchase, it will also be shown at the time of returning goods. Purchase return is also known as return outward because goods brought inside the business at the time of purchases are being sent outside to the business to the supplier. This is the return of goods outside the business. So, it is also known as return outwards. In case of goods returned to supplier, we sent a debit note to the supplier indicating that the supplier's account has been debited with price of goods returned. While preparing purchase return book, the debit note number is mentioned. It has got a separate column for debit note numbers. This is the format of purchase return book. In this format, first column for recording date, then second column for recording debit note number, third column you have to record the name of the supplier, then fourth column ledger folio number, and last column amount column. A debit note is a document evidencing a debit to be raised against a party for reasons other than sale on credit. On finding that goods supplied are not as per the terms of the order placed, the defective goods are returned to the supplier of the goods and a note is prepared to debit the supplier. That is, when an additional sum is recoverable from a customer, such a note is prepared to debit the customer with the additional dues. In these two situations, the note is called a debit note. Next one is credit note. A credit note is prepared when a party is to be given a credit for the reason other than credit purchase. It is a common practice to make it in red ink. When goods are received back from a customer, a credit note should be sent to him. Posting from the purchases return journal requires that the supplier's individual accounts are debited with the amount of returns and the purchase returns account is credited with the periodical total. Now I am going to explain the important steps for preparing purchase return book. For preparing purchase return book, first we have to draw the format of purchase return book. Then first column for entering date, second column for entering debit note number, then next column for entering name of the supplier, then page number of ledger, then amount column. After writing the transaction, first we want to record the date under date column, then write or enter debit note number under debit note number column, then write the name of the party, that is name of the supplier, then enter the amount. After entering each and every transaction, next step is to find out the total of amount. Then you will get the total amount of purchase return. Thank you.